Hello everyone, my name is Rhythm and welcome to RNJ Academy.
Are you afraid to speak English? Does the thought of speaking in English in front of others make you nervous and anxious? Fear of speaking English is a common issue that many non-native speakers face. However, with the right technique and strategies, you can overcome this obstacle and boost your language proficiency. Dear viewers, in this YouTube video, we will guide you through the steps how to overcome the fear of English speaking. Here are some essential tips to help you get started speaking in English. Start with some conversation. Simple conversation. Initially, start with simple conversation with friends, family, and gradually move on to more complex discussions. It is essential to build your confidence before taking on more challenging situations. The second step is practice, practice, and practice. Practice is key to success in English speaking. It's 100% true. You can practice by talking to yourself, joining conversation groups, or finding a language partner to practice with. Dear viewers, making practice make you more confident. Have more practice and become more confident. The third step to overcome the fear of speaking in English is focus on pronunciation and grammar. Dear viewers, correct pronunciation and grammar are as critical to effective English communication. Take time to learn, but learn it thoroughly and practice the correct pronunciation and grammar rules. Dear viewers, even grammar rules play a very important and essential role in your life. The fourth step is watch English movies and TV shows. Dear viewers, watching English movies or TV shows can help you improve your listening skill, pronunciation, and vocabulary. See, vocabulary plays very important role in conversation. Vocabulary words, synonyms, and antonyms. So these are factors that affect your English communication very rapidly. Now, next point is don't be afraid to make mistakes. Dear viewers, making mistakes is a natural part of the learning. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Embrace your errors and use them as an opportunity to improve yourself. And next step is seek professional help. If you struggle with overcoming your fear of English speaking, consider seeking professional help from an experienced language tutor. By following these tips and strategies, you can overcome your fear of English speaking and take your language skill to the next level. In this video, we will explore this technique in details and help you become a confident speaker. Overcoming your fear of English speaking is not a one-day process. It takes time and effort to develop your skill and build your confidence. However, with the right strategies, you can successfully overcome your fear and take your language proficiency to the next level. So join us on our YouTube live sessions every day in the evening at 8 o'clock and learn from this tutorial and begin your journey towards confident English communication. This was a kind of tutorial for you to guide you overcome your fear of English speaking, and it's really very essential to know this thing. What are the things that affect your English speaking strategies? Dear viewers, reading skill improves your language and your communication skill. So practicing many times and reading many books can make you more bold to stand anywhere and give your best. Thank you so